Follow these steps to remove suggested searches on TikTok. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the magnifying glass icon given at the top right corner. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Now, below that, you're gonna find all of your search history. First, let's clear this. So, click on the option Clear All. Clear Search History. Click on Clear. Now, when you try to search for anything, below that, you're gonna find different suggestion for it. If you want to remove any of the suggested searches, what you have to do is press and hold on it and click on the option Not Interested. Now you're gonna get fewer suggestions similar to that. You can do the same for other suggestion as well. Press and hold on it and select the option Not Interested. Next thing you want to do is head back, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner, head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Now navigate to the option Notification, scroll all the way down. Over here you're gonna find the section of Personalized Post Suggestions. Disable for all these options. Likewise, click on the option Post from Account you follow and disable for this option. With these customization, you'll be good to go. This way you are able to remove suggested searches on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.